The visual refresh, changing your cover art on DistroKid. So, hate your old cover art? This year you don't have to delete your song and lose all your streams just to fix a bad design. Whether you've got a professional shoot back or you just found a typo in your credits, updating your art is a native feature in DistroKid. And today I'm showing you the edit release method to swap your artwork across Spotify, Apple, and TikTok in under 2 minutes. And first, you need to find the toggle. So just log in into your dashboard and click on the album or single you want to change. And also look in the upper right corner and click the Edit Release button. Scroll down until you see the album cover section. And also click the box to browse your files or simply drag and drop your new image. Scroll to the very bottom, check the confirmation boxes and hit Submit Edit Request. Our DistroKid will now begin the process of overriding your old art across all stores. And now, don't let your new art get rejected. Let's talk about the requirements. The specs. Your file must be a perfect square, so 1:1 ratio. Also in this year, you can aim for 3 to 3000 pixels in JPEG format using the RGB color space. And stores are stricter than ever in this year. Avoid blurry images, social media handles, or website URLs on the cover. If it looks like an ad, it's getting rejected. Then hit save and give it about 1 to 2 weeks to show up everywhere. And your music now looks as good as it sounds. Hopefully this artist guide helped you today. If it did, smash like and subscribe.